we go. Power on, wheelie bar's upside down. Got this neat little unit there. Got the screw ready for the aisle mix. Okay, we got power. We got ignition. What we're gonna do first is get some oil in it. Get some oil in there. Because I changed the oil. Come on, baby, build. Let's check for leaks. No leakies, that's all stains, not leaks. Okay, trying to build oil pressure before we start it. Because like I said, change oil. I forgot to put oil in the damn filter. Come on, baby. Go. Come on. Okay. Got the controller for the fans and the thermostat today. Here we go. Oil pressure built in. You gotta keep an eye on that oil pressure and shut her down if it doesn't come up. I know we're burning off, but we're just burning off. That's okay. Just burning off. We're checking. We're checking. Burn off all the fingerprints. Let's get some air on. We're ready with fire extinguisher if something happens. We just burn off all the oil. Ooh, and look at that. Glad we checked. Here, we found a rag. Okay, check and make sure everything's clear. Those are the... Everything's clear. Everything's clear. Here we go again. That's enough. I'm watching the smoke. That's every fingerprint that was on those. Sounds good. Sounds healthy. Sounds like I should have took it last night. I was at the, what's it called? The Street Lego Drags last night out at Paris Speedway. And we had talking to the guys out there and kind of picking a fight with some of them for when I get this thing running. I hope they make that permanent, guys. Whoever organized that, make that a ongoing thing. The bad thing is they got all those new houses going in, and they're going to nix it. But we should at least get a year or two in them. Anyway, I'm going to get back to this and watch the air show too, because I have an air show going on today. I'll let you know. Everybody have a good day.